Today I'm going to show you how to download a repository in Bitbucket. This is a useful skill when you need to work on code locally or keep a backup of your project files on your computer. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to bitbucket.org. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your Bitbucket account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged in before proceeding to the next step. After signing in successfully, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your Bitbucket dashboard. Here you'll find several navigation options. Click on Repositories. This will open up a menu where you can manage all your repositories. From there, click on View All Repositories to see the complete list of repositories associated with your account. Now you'll see all your available repositories displayed on the screen. Take a moment to browse through them and select the specific repository you want to download. Simply click on the repository name to open it. Once you've opened the repository, look toward the upper right panel of the screen. You'll notice 3 dotted lines there. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Download Repository. This action will begin preparing your repository for download. After clicking Download Repository, the download process will start. Navigate to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Download section. Here you'll see your downloaded repository file listed. Click on Open to access the downloaded repository and proceed with using it on your local machine. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your repository from Bitbucket, and now you can work with it offline or store it as a backup. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.